Hello everyone and welcome back to our series of self-discipline. This is series 2. Series 1 was what is self-discipline and why is it required. So if you want to check that video, I'll give you a link on that information window that you can always click and check out. So we will talk about what is self-discipline, how to practice it now, right? So for getting a self-discipline in our lives, we need to have just 4 golden rules. Number 1 is say no to excuses. No, 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 a complete no. No to excuses means that whenever you try to bring out some new habit, you need to inculcate some new habit in yourself, then you always come up with so many excuses. Like suppose if I want to get up early in the morning, I have so many excuses for not getting up early in the morning. Maybe say if I can say like I got to bed late at night, I was reading, I was little occupied for the last 1 week, so I'm restless, so I'm unable to get up early in the morning. So these may be the excuses which I need to say complete no, right? So always say no to excuses. And number 2 is be strict to yourself. What is be strict to yourself? When you make your plans, when you make certain rules and regulations for yourself which you need to follow, there may be a hindrance coming up, there may be so many excuses coming up, there may be disturbance from all other sides, there may be so many distractions, there could be so many reasons for not doing it actually, but you need to be strict to yourself. Always try to have some strict plans that if you don't do that, you will some way punish yourself for not doing it, why it is important in doing, and why it's what happens if you don't do that, right? So always be strict to yourself. So that was number 2. One was say no to excuses. Second is be strict to yourself. Number 3 is always stick to your plans. Always stick to your plans means you need to have a consistency in whatever you are doing. Yes, when I have set a certain rules and regulations from myself, then I need to stick to it because of so many disturbances coming up, so many family members saying that, oh, this is not right, this is not right. So many family or friends coming up to me that you should do it that way, you should do it that way. This would be better for you. So they may have certain viewpoints of their own, but then you need to be consistent in whatever you are doing because you have set certain targets for yourself, you have made certain rules and regulations such a way to adapt themselves because you know yourself better what is right for you, right? So in order to achieve the set targets, you have certain plans for yourself that is according to specially made for your especially suitable to you, right? So always stick to your plans. So that was number 3. Number 4 is say no to distractions. Yes, of course, say no to distractions. So many distractions are there. You have distraction of phone coming up, you have a distraction of SMS coming up, so it's all related to phone. Now you have a distraction of TV, you have a distraction of any important news channel, you may be having a distraction of social media. Yes, social media, because we all say that, oh, I'll just go for 5-10 minutes to Facebook, I'll just go for 5-10 minutes to Instagram, I'll just check up what posts are there and I'll just close it down. But that's not going to happen. It's not going to happen in 5-10 minutes. You all know that, we all know that, because it's not for 5-10 minutes, it's going to happen for say half an hour, because the post that we look to towards that actually triggers some thoughts in our mind, and then we get lost into those thoughts, and that the way we think is all getting changed, right? So it's not a 5 minutes job, it's not a 10 minutes job, it's going to take your half an hour or 1 hour, maybe more than that. You know it better. So these are 4 golden rules from my side for maintaining self-discipline in your life. So number 1 was say no to excuses. Number 2 was be strict to yourself. Number 3 was stick to your plans, that is to maintain consistency. And number 4 was say no to distractions. So these were the 4 golden rules. Just follow them up, just try them up, and in case if you find something new or something different from them, you can always send it to me in the comment box, and any new topic that you would like me to shoot a video on, I can do that. Please always do that in the comment box, I'll respond to that also. And please like, share and subscribe If you like it, please don't forget to share it, and please also subscribe it so that you get the notifications automatically directly to your notification window. That's all for today. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching.